All right, so sometimes when we're doing costume construction, we have to transfer some sort of a marking that was on the inside of the wrong side of the fabric to the outside of the fabric. And we'll learn that at some point soon. So what I want you to do is create a pencil line about a 1/2 inch in from the edge of your sample with a pencil, okay? Use your ruler for this. We are going to pretend that this is the wrong side of the fabric, and we need the mark of this line to be on the right side of the fabric, right? The right side is the side that doesn't have markings on it, but sometimes we need to know what that line is. So very simply, we're going to use our basting stitch. Again, the same way. What we're going to do is just stitch a baste right along this right along this pencil line. Now, for this, you don't need to knot the fabric. You don't need to knot the thread, and you don't even really need to backstitch because this also gets taken out of the fabric. It's just so we have this mark for a short amount of time. So you're just going to doing your same running stitch, your same basting stitch. You're just going to create a thread line, a thread mark right along this line, okay? Now, as you approach the corner, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your needle comes up through that exact corner. You can see where that is, all right? Because we need to know precisely where that corner is. Maybe we're marking a seam, maybe we're marking the top of the garment. We need to know where it's going to line up in the center back. So you're gonna make sure that your thread comes right up through that corner, and then you're gonna pivot, move your sample, and continue on your way, all right? And so you can see, when we turn it over, you can see precisely where that corner marking is. And you can see that line transferred to the other side of the fabric. Also, don't worry about backstitching or creating a knot at the end. Just leave a significant tail and it should be fine.